Good evening, guys. What's happening? Why is the market so red? What happened to Bitcoin? Oh, wait, it's Black Friday today, isn't it? So big discount on all crypto, 10%, 15%, some even 20%. Cool, huh? Bitcoin went down to 53,500, but weren't we expecting that? Weren't we talking about this for the past, 1 week, 10 days? Okay, on a serious note. So, today, a lot of news media published about all this increasing number of COVID cases all around the world. Some panic selling, people getting panicked and thinking that the whole lockdown thing is going to happen again, so this is just a normal reaction. And also we had today the November options expire, so people getting out of their positions, and usually this happens. I've seen this a few times before when a lot of people take a loss, so they're just dumping their Bitcoin. And yeah, basically that's it. Just to remind you guys where we are, yeah? So nobody says that this bull run is over. Look at the weekly chart. We're just here, guys. We are just here, and this is just a normal, healthy correction, in my opinion. Alright, and to prove it to you guys, we'll quickly have a look at where we started in July. Remember when Bitcoin made a big correction and we dropped from 64,000 to 29,000 over here? Look at the run that happened afterwards. Nice gains, and then correction right about here. And then we had the ETF news, the Bitcoin ETF news, and boom, broke all-time high twice, all the way up to almost 69,000. And now we are doing the correction. You can see, remember from my previous videos, I talked about the 200 EMA and how we can track the market using the 200 EMA. So to make it more clear, instead of drawing a red line, I just made this cloud underneath the 200 EMA. So that's the 200 EMA over here. And you can see how the price is going up, riding above it. And the second we break, a correction is there. And then again, we broke the 200 EMA a few days back. And this is when I was telling you guys we're going to head to 53, maybe lower. And now we have this descending channel forming. We talked about Bitcoin going to 60k, between 60k to 63k to liquidate all the shorts, and that's exactly what happened. Last night we peaked at almost 60,000 and immediately this drop afterwards. Alright, now where are we going from here? First, let's check how much have we retraced already from the all-time high. So quickly we'll put up a Fibonacci retracement, and we are right here, so about 54, around 54%. So from this move up, we have retraced 54%. And it's quite normal, guys. We can even go down to the 60, even a bit lower than the 60. But there are other factors at play. So let me just remove this right here and zoom in to this descending channel. So you remember this line here, right? This is the trend line from July reversal. So this is where Bitcoin has been bouncing on since July. So we have a very strong support line here, and this happens to be around the 50-ish area. Yeah, we have also the 50k psychological support line, and we have the 52,000 support line, which is also a strong support line where Bitcoin met a lot of resistance in the past. In September, if I believe it was September or October, Bitcoin bounced off that line a few times, so now that line flipped from resistance to support. So we have plenty of resistance and support on this area, so I'm expecting a bounce around here. For the short term, we still have some room on the RSI to go a bit lower. It will also take a while for the stochastic to reverse. I think around 8 to 16 hours before we maybe see a reversal on the stochastic. It can go flat here, and the RSI could drop even further in case we are dropping more, but let's see by tomorrow. I don't expect much action on the weekend. You guys know that it's low volume as usual, especially that's a holiday weekend for Thanksgiving and Black Friday. So what could possibly happen? Where is the drawing tool? We'll probably consolidate a little bit here before going down further, and most likely, that's what I believe the scenario is going to happen, is we're going to bounce off this trend line with a possible shakeout all the way down here. You can see this descending channel has formed, right? So we bounced from it here, we bounced from it here, we bounced exactly on the top here, on the trend line, on the descending trend line, the ray line that I've drawn. It shows from all-time high, rejected here, and then rejected here, so it's quite clear trend line that we need to break. This is also resistant that we need to break. We also have the descending channel resistant that we need to break. So a drop, either bounce from here, but I think there's going to be a market shakeout to shake out all those people out of their positions. Whales can have their Bitcoin at cheap, so we can actually wick down here to the bottom of this channel, and that's somewhere around 57, 58. So we have a strong support at 58,000. That's probably where the wick is going to stop. I'm sure a lot of people are going to put buy orders there, and I think we're just gonna zoom up from here, possibly retest the channel, go down, and then break this. It could take a while to break this resistance here, so it will only be clear once this EMA starts going down. The 200-hour EMA, we broke above it, we break above it, retest it, and go up. And it will reverse. The EMA will start going up, and it's going to start bouncing, and we'll probably hit all-time high again. I don't know if this will take a few weeks, but this is the situation as it is. Good luck, everyone, and we'll talk to you guys again soon.